I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird, bird people, and something that they don't always need because they are bird people. If you are a bird person, you will come to know that you are meant to use some of your old practices that are healthy. And so these pieces of wood represent a bird. The bird's eye is here, its beak is here. The bird people are leaning in towards the bird to get answers before they consider things that they may not need. Of course, there are times when you will need to use this, but with all things considered. And so, yeah.